eshe bapemeshini zokunjani lapho Majongo. Ngibingelele nosisi bafowethu ama nominations ke lawa bafowethu ePSL kule season esisanda kuyiqeda. Siqale ngo-ref laphana size ngo-assistant ref lana ngiyabona amagama abhaliwe bafowethu laphana banominatiwe abafana abancane laba lapha kwi-DTC bafowethu banominatiwe nabo bahle kakhulu labafana bobathathu laba bahle kakhulu nalokho yana nje kwenwedlana lokho sokuyaphesheya kuhle kakhulu nabo abanye beTshepe Foundation nawe PSL isiyonkana ke lama award bafowethu naba lana goalkeeper of the tournament kuMotsepe Foundation kwi-NFD. So lana kugoqwa omabili ama-league makhulunywa nge-PSL sokhulunywa nge-Betway Premiership, kukhulunywa nge-Nedbank Cup, kukhulunywa nge-MTN 8, kukhulunywa nge-Carling Knockout, kukhulunywa nge-Motsepe Foundation including ama-tournament akhona. Izwa lonto. So bafowethu yiwo-ke lawa ama-nominees bafowethu ngicabanga ukuthi yona nto ezobe ubhizi ngayo le ebholeni lase-South Africa ey'nsukwini nje elandelayo. Naba abafana beBhakaniya laphana banominate bobathathu kwi-award eyodwa naba nabekhosi laphana banominate bobathathu kwi-award eyodwa bafowethu. Hayi ngathi i-PSL ibisibhalansisa-ke laphana nabo goalkeeper of the season bafowethu. Wenika bani, wenika uChiphezeza, wenika uChayini, wenika uWilliams. Asazi bafowethu kuyobonakala khona. Nayi defender of the season wenika bani, wenika uKekana, wenika uMoloyisana, wenika uSibisi. Hayi mina ngayinika uSibisi bafowethu hayi ngoba ngiyibhakaniya. Nayi midfielder of the season wenika bani, wenika uAlende, wenika uMakhawula, wenika uMkwena. Hayi mina ngayinika uMakhehleni ngoba ngiyibhakaniya. Nayi bafowethu enye young player of the season then uNkota, uMfukeng, uKhoza. Hayi lena-ke icacela ukuthi yakubani bafowethu. Nangu coach of the season Khadoso, uRivero, uBhaka. Ithe kuba tricky le impela kodwa-ke most of the time lo thatha ileague usuke nominative kuyaye kube uyena. Nayi-ke bafowethu player of the season umdlalo osuke evotelwa abadlali bebunkana lo ukuthi ubaqoqoda amakhanda. Phinde kube naye footballer of the season i-award ke lena esuke ikhethwe u-association ngibukwa nje kwe-performance iyonkana kwi-PSL yabo. So ya yona-ke into esuke ibhekiwe kahle kahle le yona award enkulu. Iyona othi umuhle abaningi ngayo impela ngisho ngathiwa lezi ezinye awuyitholanga ubizwa ngenkunzi. Ya.